Okay, hello. This is lesson 2 in the series of how to program TCL on Cisco routers. Okay, and this is Rani Ahmed with you. And this lesson I'm going to talk about how to program configure a tftp server. And as we said in the previous lesson, we're going to talk about installing a tftp DHPA. Now, we already installed it, but we're going to configure it now, and we haven't talked about it in the previous lesson. So we go as root. Let's say Control D, Control L, and we say that all our setup is already there. We haven't rebooted the system. If you reboot the system, things will be gone. Okay, you have to do things to keep it saved. Okay, in the startup scripts of Debian. Now, consult your Debian manuals and see how that it's done. How is that done? Now, we go as SU and type the root password. Okay. Now I press Ctrl just to clear the screen. And tftp DHPA is already installed, so there's a command on Debian to reconfigure the package, which is dpackage dpkg, okay, reconfigure okay, and tftp-hpa. Okay, this is the name of the package, and press enter. Now you'll see a form system. Now there's a dedicated system account for the tftp DHPA. So this is as they say, must use this dedicated account so that the system security is not compromised by using it with the super user privileges. Okay, so we keep it as is, tftp. Sorry. So, and I press tab, it will highlight in red the OK, and press enter. Now I select the folder where the scripts are going to be saved. Okay. So, and this is where I'm going to download and upload things from my own laptop, okay, or from my own desktop. So this is the path I'm going to use: my home directory on Linux and the TCL folder. Okay, inside the home directory, I press tab, highlights OK, and press enter. Now press OK. Now this is where I'm going to listen to the requests from the Cisco router. Okay, so I can upload and download things. So it's better to keep it as default, which is the 4 zeros 0.0.0.0 colon 69. 69 is the part where I listen to, where I make the TFTP server listen to requests. I press tab and press OK. Now this is what we are going to add, which is those options, which is --secure and --create and -b. So create will create the folder that we talked about, the home directory /tcl. Okay, you don't have to confine yourself with that path, okay, of the home directory tcl, but use any path that you want. But that path is the one that you're going to save your scripts in, okay, and load the scripts from. Okay, and -v means the logging will be verbose. Okay, so everything that happens in that server will be verbose. You go to /var/log and see your system logs. And the -secure means that, let's say, open new here. So let's say my path here is tftp, okay, like this. And for example, my server, say I am on superlinux.net, okay, and let's say I have you know, if you want to get that file, you will have to do, for example, home oracle tcl, okay, and then the file, the script, and tcl script scripts.tcl, okay, just to be able to download it, okay, into the router, or get it from the TFTP server into the router. Now what the dash secure will do is transform this line. Instead of typing the whole thing like this with the whole path and everybody knows where the files are, okay, you can just type it like this. Let me copy this first, and voila, without the whole path. So just tell it as if you were using a web server. Okay, so it will skip the whole path and just directly you can select the file that you want. Okay, so that's why we use, this is why we use double dash secure. Okay, so I press tab and press OK. Now my router still is on. Okay, this is my router and it's connected to the real world. Now I go to the R2. Okay, I go enable. Now there's a very important thing that I want to do. Okay, now let's first on the Linux see what do I have on my TCL folder. I have so many things. Okay, let's find something like star.tcl, something that I have. Okay, I have the hello.tcl. Cool. Now see this one. Now before anything, in the router you're given, see if I go to the /configure, right click configure, okay, and go to R2, I go to the memories tab and disks, and there is a disk 0 of size 64 megabytes. So this is like you having a flash disk, okay, a USB stick inserted into your router. So this is very good just to add some scripts, okay, very abundant space. Okay, you won't be having a script of like 1 megabyte. Okay? It's mostly like 10 kilobytes or something like that. Okay, so this one is not formatted. So what we're going to do after we go to the enable to go to the privileged mode in the router, I have to format that disk. So I type format and type disk and press 0, okay, and press enter. So I wanna format this one, confirm, press enter. Okay, this format will destroy the data, of course, you're formatting. By the way, the format will be FAT file system, okay, a DOS, okay, analyze DOS formatting. So press enter and that's it. Cool. Now I'm going to copy the file hello into the router, and I'm going to show you a little bit of TCL. Okay, but not for real. Okay, the hello, we'll see what it has. Let's first see what does it have, like by saying less TCL/hello. Okay, so it prints things like hello, this is TCL on Cisco. Okay, so copy from tftp. So I from tftp to disk 0. Okay, and press enter. Now the address of the remote host, okay, remember by default it was 192.168.122.1. okay, not the source file name. Because we did secure, we have to do hello.tcl only, don't have to put the whole path. Okay, as we explained. Press enter. Now the destination, keep it as is, we're not going to change hello.tcl, and that's it. So you have 136 bytes are copied into the system. Cool. And yes, so let's say just for the sake of printing what's there on disk 0, say copy, okay, and disk 0, and see I have hello.tcl is in disk 0. Okay, this is just for destination. The left thing, you know, as I've done here from tftp to disk 0. Well, I'm not going to complete the command, just to display what's there on disk 0. Now run TCL. So let's say TCL search. Okay, this is the interpreter TCL search. Okay, and disk 0. Let's try TCL search. Okay, oh yeah, and then type source and disk 0 hello .tcl. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. So this is the path of the source. Okay, so it prints to us hello, this is TCL multiple times, because in the script, as we saw, it has 4 lines of Cisco puts. Okay, puts means put string. So this is our first interaction with TCL, and thanks for watching.